Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this clean female haircut. Thing I do, I open my lever fully with no guard attached. Then I start cutting gently round the head. Notice I'm not going too high into the afro. I keep the cut slightly around the head because the goal here is cleanliness, not removing the fullness. Next, I attach my number one guard, lever still open. Now I create my second guideline just above the first one. This step is very important because it prepares the fade and makes blending much easier later. Now I switch to the number two guard with the lever closed. At this stage, I'm debulking the afro around the head, removing excess weight but still preserving volume. I use smooth upward strokes, nice and controlled, no rushing. After that, I go back to my number one guard, lever open again. Here I start blending the first and second guidelines into the afro.
For as long as the red moon shines, the astral realm will be open.
Next, I remove the guard completely and open the lever fully. Now I carefully detail the fade around the head, focusing on dark spots and any uneven areas. Detailing is what separates a normal haircut from a professional finish. Then I close the lever halfway and lightly trim around the head. This helps balance everything, making the haircut look even, smooth, and clean. Finally, I close the lever completely and line up the hair. I keep the lines sharp but still soft and natural to maintain that feminine look. And there you have it, a clean female haircut with a smooth low fade and a natural Afro finish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more barber tutorials. See you in the next one.